Wild. Hey guys. My coffee is looking a little light today. What's going on here? Hey guys, you don't know the time, but I just really want to show it to you guys. Very, very early. You're probably like, why are you awake? That's because I have to be somewhere very exciting within the next like 30 minutes, and that is a train. Yeah, so basically, one of my dream things to do, what was I doing? One of my dream, I guess it's kind of like on my bucket list. My bucket list in general, but also specifically this summer bucket list is to go on a train. So I'm taking the train to California, and I'm really excited. I'm bringing you guys along with me. You'll be making my bed before I leave. I don't really have to do anything. I do this weird thing. I like sleep on top of my sheets for some reason. I do that every once in a while to like mix things up. Fun story. When I was younger, I used to like sleep backwards because, I don't know, also to mix things up. That's kind of odd, but I don't know. It was fun for the time being. I have my travel pillow. I don't know why. I think I make my bed a solid, I don't know, half of the time. Maybe even more. Actually, no, that's such a lie. I probably make it like 80 to 90% of the time. Especially during like those times I kind of like put half the effort in, but when I go on a trip, I try to make my bed like really nice. I just want my room to look nice before I go away. Okay, we're gonna do a little outfit transformation because I'm a little bit naked right now. Okay, this is the train fit. I think I'm aware it's not that bright. It's not super cute, but I'm gonna be sitting for 24 hours, so I want it to be comfortable. Also, I'm just really kind of dark, but look how beautiful it is today. I was kind of nervous because yesterday was like pouring rain and I did not want to be, I don't know, like you want a pretty scenic view while you're driving, right? Look how pretty it is. I love my view. Oh, so beautiful. That's literally just light, but like look how pretty that is. Outfit. And then I'm just gonna wear like Air Forces, have a hoodie, have a neck pillow, mask. And guys, I think I packed pretty well, not gonna lie, not to brag, but I need to head out. So I'll see you guys once we're there. Oh, I just want it for ma'am to say hug, hug, kiss, kiss, bye bye. Bye. Love you, bye bye. Bye bye. Love you. Say bye, Russell. Say bye, Russell. Okay, he doesn't want to say bye. Okay, love you. Bye bye, mom. All right, so I'm wearing this shirt. You're laughing. I'm wearing this shirt that I just got and it says change on it, which, okay, I admit it's kind of hard to read, right? It's this company, you know, advocates for change. It's cool. I think I included it in a haul. And my mom, like, I woke up, I came downstairs and she read it and she was like, aw, Chan. I was like, Chan? Which is so funny because she just misread this, but she still was like, oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Dad's taking me to the train. When you're gonna pick up, he's helping me. Text back saying sorry I'm drunk. Why do I even try? Argue in circles for hours, cause what else can we do? Seems so sweet when it started, but now it's overgrown. It breaks my back trying to fix this and still end up alone. Hey friends, long time no see, well not see, long time no chat. I literally feel like I am filming a podcast right now, which is really cool because I don't do that, but I figured I would chat you through some of the things that went on this train. I will give you like a little behind the scenes review because I said I was kind of gonna give a review or at least give some more explanation on this, you know, like why I was here and everything, but I didn't really get to do much of that because I got a little, you know, a little camera shy and I didn't feel like talking in front of everybody on this train for 25 hours. So, but basically a little bucket list item of mine that, you know, it's just always been there, but even more so recently, I don't know why, it just seemed so appealing to me, was taking the train. First off, I absolutely love road trips. I love plane trips too. I just like any type of trip, and honestly I think I'm pretty good at being by myself, so I decided to take this train. It was an Amtrak train and I believe it was called Starlight, so it goes all the way to San Diego, I believe, or like LA. Actually, it might just be LA, but it goes all the way to California, and I took it from the Seattle Union Station all the way to San Jose. It took about 25 hours, and I think if you drove that, it would be significantly shorter, which was probably one of the most surprising things to me. It would probably be around like 15 hours depending on how much you like stop and how fast you drive, you know. But just because trains kind of have regulated speed limits, I believe, and also they make a lot of stops, and sometimes those stops are longer or shorter, it did end up taking a lot longer. But with that came many perks. This is kind of just my overall spiel overview that I tell people after I tell them I took a train for 25 hours by myself. This train ride was about $200 for me, which I know that's pretty hefty of a fee, and it was only like one way, so it's actually kind of a lot more expensive than a flight. But I also know there are a lot of deals that you can take advantage of, whether it's like student or senior discounts, and also just different discounts on certain trips. Also, if you plan it in advance, it'll be a lot cheaper. Hello, update. I am in Oregon now. We have like an hour stop, so I got off and I got some coffee and I got a scone that I'm really excited for because all I've eaten is soy nut butter and apples so far, and coffee, of course. I was gonna like try to bolt to like an actual cafe, but then I got really scared that I was gonna miss my train and then all my stuff would be in California and I would like be chasing after the train. That's literally my worst nightmare. So I just stopped at this little cafe that's like inside the station. It actually wasn't that bad, and the station's really cool. Like all the stations, high-key aesthetic. I literally had a shoot in a station before, and also I feel like I can talk on a camera out here. Like on the train, it's high-key like a plane, like it's quiet, and I feel really awkward talking, and I'm like sitting next to someone. I thought it was gonna be kind of empty just because of like COVID and everything, but it's a full train. Like every seat is booked, hence why my ticket was so expensive. But I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna try to like actually get some, I'm doing air quotes in my mind right now, but I'm trying to get like a lot of stuff done. I actually need to edit like 2 videos, and I really want to crochet grind, but I unfortunately fell asleep while I was scrolling through TikTok during the first like 3 hours. So once we get back on there, I'm gonna go back to the observation deck, which is literally the most beautiful thing ever. Like the whole time I was staring at it and I was just like, wow, God is amazing, life is amazing. But I'm gonna go back there. I also want to read too. Jeez, I did nothing. I journaled though. That was fun. So see you guys back on the train. Okay, so I finally woke up from my little nap. Coffee revived. I'm gonna edit an entire video, hopefully. I also brought literally like an entire bag of yarn because I want to crochet like a bunch of different things. Also, my scone is amazing. I was a little bit dumb and literally booked my ticket on a fully booked train the day before, so that was kind of on me. Nonetheless, I enjoyed it so much. Also, look what I brought with me. Orangey. I would absolutely, and I do plan on doing this again. I also will challenge myself and take a freaking like 4-day across the country trip. I swear I will do this. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. Another thing I want to do is work on my Spotify playlist. I feel like I could do that for literally hours. I made some new ones and I need to like design the what's it called, the covers. Ooh, sorry about the reflection, but like these ones, kind of cute, right? Kind of cute. That's cute. But then like some of them, like this, what is that? I need to update it. That's a new one. Oopsies, did not mean to do that. Also, you can pay more for different types of seats. I just got the regular seating, of course, but they have like coach business class, and then they also have like rooms, but the rooms were super expensive. They seem really cool. As you will see through my various clips, I brought a lot of entertainment. Of course, I had a bunch of editing that I could do. My favorite thing about the train is the observation deck. So if you do take a train ride, I highly recommend making sure it has an observation deck, because this was like probably the most beautiful thing. I would pay so much to sit here, and it's like the best view in the world. Along with my editing and the couple of books that I brought, I also brought a lot of crocheting materials, which actually really came in handy. And I crocheted like a full top, and like I started a skirt, and it was pretty awesome. The train did have a little like cafe on the bottom floor, and they have a nicer restaurant for people who in the rooms, I believe. But I ended up just bringing a lot of snacks and bringing some meals. And then also like when we stopped off in Oregon, they had like a little restaurant thing at the station there, so I got coffee and like snacks there also. Something that's also super cool about the trains is the scenery, and you will see a lot of things you wouldn't see if you typically just drive from one place to another, because it goes through like mountains and areas where there are no roads. Okay, quite a shift from the last scene. As you can see, it got dark pretty quickly. Apparently, I got carried away with my crocheting. But, you know, as a teen, I stay up pretty late, and I was kind of surprised to see everyone going to sleep really soon. And by sleep, I mean to, like, their rooms or to the chairs to, you know, try to take a nap and, like, sleep off the ride. But I was so obsessed with the train. I literally didn't want to lose any hours of, you know, sitting on the observation deck. So I was kind of there, and, like, no one else was, which was kind of spooky vibes, but it was also kind of surreal and really awesome because I was just reading by myself in the dark and I had this whole observation deck to myself. Hey, another dramatic lighting change. As you could see, not doing so well from that 1 hour of sleep, but let me say, I would do it all over again because this sunrise was actually beautiful. These are clips of me like staring outside and being like, wow, just wow. It's beautiful.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky color schemes.
So I think I just stared at the sunrise and the beautiful scenery we were passing for, you know, an hour. I have no clue. I have no concept of time, but this is just me chilling with my airplane pillow. Highly recommend bringing one of those because this thing is a lifesaver. Also got my sunglasses on and chilling. I always think it's so funny when someone wears a mask and then sunglasses because you just basically don't see their face at all. But you know, I look very cool and approachable reading my book like this, right? But yeah, that was pretty much it for my train ride, condensed 25 hours down into like 10 minutes. Thank you guys, and over and out from VoiceOver Melanie. Hi guys, as you can see, I'm home, so it's much later. I just totally forgot to film an outro, but thank you guys so much for coming with me on this train trip. My apologies, I really didn't talk to the camera that much, but that's because there were people around me like all times, and it was kind of awkward because we were on a train together. But all in all, review, 10 out of 10 experience. I am waiting and counting down the day until I can go on another train because I actually loved it so much. Like, I think I could go on a week-long train trip. Just saying, it was so fun. Please go on a train if you watch this video. Amtrak sponsor me. But yeah, thank you guys for coming along with me. It was basically like I had a friend with me because I went on a solo road trip, but got to check something off of my little summer bucket list, so that was great. Home now, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.